Hello beautiful people of the world, welcome to the Trebushea channel. I wanted to make this video and introduce myself because there are a lot of new people and new subscribers joining us, and I wanted to say hello. I don't always take the time to introduce myself in the videos, so here's a little bit about me and what you'll find over on my channel. I like to think of my channel as creative chaos, and there's a reason for that, actually a lot of reasons, which we'll get into in a minute. But I am Shea. Hello, I'm the beauty and the brains behind this channel. Okay, that's just a horrible joke to break the ice. Anywho, hello, welcome. I'm so glad you're here with me today. So on this channel, you'll find a lot of creativity, DIYs. I love using my Cricut machine. I personally have a Cricut Explorer Air 2, but whichever Cricut machine you have works great. And if you don't have a Cricut machine, that's okay. I have so many more DIYs and creative ideas over on this channel. Now, to get to the whole creative chaos thing I was talking about, first of all, the elephant in the room. I'm filming in my kitchen, and pretty much all of my crafting videos are in my kitchen because I don't have a craft space. And some people have expressed concern about this, so yes, I craft in my kitchen at my kitchen counter, which you're sitting on right now. Well, not you, but the camera. When I craft, I get very passionate and into it. So I don't know about you, but it gets a little messy. Like, it becomes a hot mess when I start crafting. I normally have about 5 projects going at once, and some of them aren't even quite finished. Does that sound anything like you? If your craft space is clean, I envy you. Please tell me your secrets down below. But that's part of it. Also, I have young kids, so as much as I do try to film during nap times, I still have kids running around. You know, sometimes they're in the back of my videos, sometimes you can just hear them. And I mean, I do want to apologize, but also those are my kids, so I can't really do anything about that. So I do want to apologize for that chaos in the background of my videos. Those are just my tiny humans. All right, now that we've addressed that, I do just love to get really crafty and creative. I know this might sound kind of silly, but crafting really is my therapy. It's my little escape from the craziness in life where I can just get creative and express myself in something really fun and beautiful. So that's something I really love to do, and my goal of my videos is to show how-tos and inspire you to get your own creative ideas. That's kind of the goal. I make sure to keep my mistakes that I make, in my videos, as embarrassing as they might be when I make crafting mistakes. I show my mistakes because then I'm going to show you how to fix it. So 1, you can try to avoid making the same mistake I did, and 2, if you make it, that's okay because I'm going to show you how to fix it. Creative chaos because, hey, I'm not perfect. I'm not going to edit my videos perfectly to cut out all of those mistakes and make it look seamless, because I'm gonna be honest with you, that's not how my crafting goes. So there you go. There's a little bit about me and my channel and my videos. So I wanted to say thank you so much for taking your time to stop by. I really, really appreciate you taking your time out of your day to join me and get crafty. And for those of you that take the extra time to comment down below your thoughts and your feedback, I appreciate it so much. So thank you to all of you watching, and those of you who comment, I really do appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. Let's get crafty.